Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a lap, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Foundation in TrenchTown. And you have Pat, who always been here for Gloria as well from day one, her neighbor. And you have the Governor Larry. She's Gloria's husband for years. So you know, Gloria is a lady who been looking after kids. You know, she don't want to even grow me as well too. This is a house where me come eat food enough time as I look with youth. And when Gloria cook me, I always come for my food too and she always look after couple kids. I understand I'm get to find out say Gloria in a bad condition. You know, because I come back and I never know say she in a wheelchair and all this little thing. How it happen?
She get a stroke on her left side, and her left side she use, so she can't use the hand, she can't walk anymore.
She can't walk anymore. Yeah, let me realize because I was quite surprised one time I realized say Gloria, in a wheelchair, get the strokes.
Oh, about some 3-4 years.
About
4 years. 5 years.
Yeah.
4 years.
4 years now. Okay, so what is the cause then?
She have sugar and she trouble with sugar pressure. Asthma.
Yeah, because I know say I always have the asthma a long time.
She used to do a little juggling, sell a little biscuit and juice and them things, but through this, she have to just give up them things then and just the husband alone and work.
Yeah.
And him have to pay somebody to look after her because then every time he can they run her. You know, see it. So our little lady come in and she was her friend for years and she used to help out the lady so she don't take nothing much. Because when you say I pay them, I pay her. Them just like give her a little thing.
Yeah.
You know, see it, but she really need the help because Larry don't really have it like that. You know, see it.
Yeah.
My fridge now work, man.
Yeah.
The fridge now work and I can't fix it now, nothing. Because because I want to know, and like when she was around the 2 and them black.
Yeah, come on, Gloria always that she always babysit the kids them and get a little
she have to give up all those things now.
And she said a little socks up them and the body juice them and ice.
Yeah.
You know, she used to do them things a long time as a little youth.
She give it up.
Yeah, because she never used to babysit. As I say, we used to do here, so Bookie, you know, little cousin. You understand? And most of the kids them and she used to babysit them and the parents them gone and whole heap of kids. You understand?
Because your grandmother used to help her.
Yeah, because my grandmother used to help her as well too and down here. So that's it used to there. So I can see the struggle now one time. She not really do it anymore. And the strokes them on her. You understand? And you also have your son, Plummy.
Yeah,
I remember.
Plummy come. He's not so right right now when I keep head.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay, because I realize something wrong with him head now.
Something wrong with him, something wrong with him. You don't see it. But you can't tell if you drink this, nor take that.
Because they don't know what's the problem.
You don't see it.
So you never get to go doctor for go check up or anything?
No, you never go doctor because you see fear condition. Right, and she would have been the one for ups and down with him because you know me have my little business around.
Yeah.
You see it. And thing and the father have to work.
Yeah. For a long time, Larry I work with MPM. Minot.
Yeah, but Minot no cut the pay now, so COVID.
So yeah. So the shop leave for real now.
Yes, it's hard now, it's really hard now. I think I've had around more time for help out a situation.
Yeah. I understand.
And our son, Sean will care any little thing when him have it, but you don't know, say, I want to care him
from the US.
This is our son, but him kind of sick, you know?
Yeah, Plummy.
Yeah.
Plummy, what go on? Cause I remember one time he used to young and time cry, he used to like knock out. Remember when he was younger? It was frightening him.
I know, I never remember nothing about that. Yes.
Cause remember when him couldn't cry, cause if him start cry, he might go pass out and knock out.
Later find doctor for his teacher take him up there so.
Yeah.
Like you never want to take him.
They never want to take him.
No, they never want to take him in a school through the condition.
Condition. Because why? So that take money for really get a check-up as well too.
Yeah.
Because my Plummy how much now?
Plummy how much now?
24.
24.
Yeah.
Plummy.
Smile.
Yeah, man, he just a smile and just stand up one away.
Yeah.
Because remember when I'm young man, because even when I'm young, I'm frightened him as well too.
Yeah.
And he just that ball, and when him a ball, they not hear no more sound come out of him lips start get blue.
Yeah.
You just see him eye them turn over. Remember man, and he that trim up the hole and send him out. And that they cast that. And now him have a different condition now, like. So it's really take funds for him go doctor and check out and so he can go on. Plummy.
Plummy,
man.
Remember,
that's right, remember, that's laugh. John was there. Because, Gloria, because you say because I love to get all the fridge where you can do back your liquor. So little juice then see me have a little, you know, something can make ends meet.
And then again she have to keep the medication there.
Yeah, the fridge kind of my fridge, she have to put the medication there.
On the sugar, she have to take the insulin, so she have to keep the insulin in her fridge.
Okay, so she have to keep the insulin
Push the insulin spoil for your cartouche
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, tablets.
Oh yeah, tablets them. And if the insulin is in the fridge, I'm spoil and then everything there. So she definitely don't need a fridge. You understand? Because I say man, there's a lot of good people on the program, yeah. The man always reach out. Yeah.
When rain fall, they wet up
And everything.
Yeah, and enough people work on it and it's still
the same.
The Because your wife never been good from the first.
Yeah.
Because even when the man I work on the time, me go in there and look at me, come out and say, Gloria, you know, say the house not been good, the house lean. And she did go say something to the man.
Yeah.
Because me couldn't say nothing to the man, me only see the fault. I go tell her the fault and she just allow the man to do him do. I see it there.
So most like at the house stop.
The house
The
stop.
zinc.
Because when I want my own, we just make one thing and run wall, concrete over this side. Because it was board.
Yeah.
And my board was board too.
Yeah.
But through the whole shot of fire, and you know.
You know want to come through.
Because I remember when they were shoot out and the shot come through the window, go through this, go through the wall, go down through the back. So when I do my house now, I just concrete off everything. I only left the board part between me and them.
Yeah.
You know, see it so. The structure there.
Yeah.
You know, see it.
So I'll zinc it to that one for start or the
You have to
roofing.
go look in there and see it.
Let me see the crew.
You see the whole part, the one kind of set up.
Okay. You can see the watermark them as well too. Yeah, you can see it on the watermark them and everything. So it's a mainly a zinc. It's a real one. By the looks of
Because
it.
somebody will have experience to go up there and take off the roof and set the roof the right way. That's when the water fall off of that zinc. It come and run. Instead of running down the house, it run outside.
Right, run down, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So as I said then, Gloria, so there's a lot of good people on this program, godly people, you know. So would I love to try if the one of them can help towards a fridge. They can know so that at least they can put that medicine in the fridge as well to insulate them and they can have a little juice. We can help with the income so the ends can meet. You understand? Because we know say a long time we know Governor Larry try, you know, and never really have a steady income. We know say they can help out because we know the struggle is really real. You understand? Then now and then the strokes now we gotta have, and then now you have plumbing condition as well too.
Alright.
So people they can say plumbing is not in a good state neither. You know, it's either some mental.
He used to work, you know, I remember, you know, when he used to work, he used to help out his mother. But before she was sick.
Yeah.
He used to go, when he used to work, Marley was help out his mother, carrying the little thing, come to his mother Friday the time when he was should have want.
Yeah.
Yes, he wasn't a mean person.
Yeah. Because me have say alright, so them pull ups here. These are from Lincoln from the US. Yeah. Contribute these pull ups towards everywhere. So this is from Lincoln. Yeah, so his name is Lincoln. Yeah, alright then Lincoln. So you might go see you.
So you can't tell him thanks.
Yeah. And you have a donor as well to donate towards the program which is that we can help anybody where I say in need of political help, same way. So I'm a disciple, so alright then I'll come and see the family speak to you. I'm near about the condition. So you have Mama Shirley from the USA, from Florida. So $7,000 for Mama Shirley. So you can count it for your pack, remember one hand. So you just count it, I should see it. She count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
From Mama Shirley.
That's Mama Shirley.
Thanks, Mama Shirley.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
May God bless you now.
May God bless you.
I make a basket.
Yeah. And the same thing from Miss G from the UK. She doing it and say I can't get anybody who see need, and as I say through me the situation. As I say, I know say I did have that try over the years. So this is from Miss G from the UK, $3,000. From Miss G.
Yeah.
From the
Them one
UK.
counted like it's
So next part counted for you.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, from Miss G from the UK.
Thank Miss G.
Yeah. So, as I gonna say, we're gonna try and see what can go on. We get something towards the fridge. So anything when you get here, when you can put it down towards the fridge. Yeah, because we don't really know, we have to find out the price as well, how much for the fridge as well, so we can know how much we have to work towards. Yeah, Gloria.
Yeah.
Just hope for the best and everything. We
I
can get
appreciate the program where you do. I appreciate the help where you help people because you know, you're born and grow here, you go away, you never must come back here, come to nothing.
Yeah.
So we appreciate it.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself.
It's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And take care of Kino and thanks a lot.
Yeah, alright then. And Plummy, hopefully everything will alright one day, yeah? Yeah, definitely. Alright then, Pat.
Yeah, man.
So Gloria, we reach out back to you once if anybody contact me about the situation. They can get help towards a fridge so you can store your insulin and your medicine every night. Yeah? Alright then. Governor.
Yeah, man.
Take care, yeah?
Welcome to the wheel, Larry.
Oh, so should I need a wheelchair too?
Yeah, kind of when you when she got church and thing, and she have to go doctor, push the wheelchair and thing. So the muffins
There's a Bob Marley yard as well to 2nd Street.
Sing the song, so let's play off to 42nd Street.
Yeah, yeah, this is a 42nd Street and the song we want to have. Bob Marley building. 42nd Street. Whoa!
Whoa, you know? Man can't tell you to grow, you know? You know Bob still, you know? After I'm coming here about the great Bob, you know?
Yeah.
Bob Marley and the Whalers, you know?
Yeah.
Straight, you see?
Yeah. Yeah, boom. Prince. Thing going. It's a boom.
That's 6. Dali.
Hello, Dali. Well, Dali, come on the side of the hotel. Dali, you alright? How you doing? Alright. No, just the other side. Say alright, Dali. And everything. She not feel so good.
Yeah, right so far, you know, because I know your grandson say she had part of the pain and nothing at all, see me?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, because them they are pass through, you know, because I get some pull-ups here as well too. Yeah, so if I do want to watch a program, and then decide to sit down and reach out to our cars as well too. So I'm going to buy some pull-ups here. They're from Canada. Marley, how you been? Alright. Go and relax. I have some things for you as well too. We have a donor from Canada. Watch the program. I should tell him to get some pull-ups for you. And I'm gonna buy you a bed sheet as well too, a 90. Understand? So grab them right here. So I'm gonna try the back band. So that's the bed sheet. And Lorenzo. And then Marley and Shireen. And that's your 90. So these are the pull-ups. So I got some.
No, I'm still a grandson from me.
Oh, a grandson are there? Okay. Alright, so the person who donate these, yeah, from Canada, you have Lorenzo and his mom Shireen from Canada that donate the pull-ups them and her bed sheet and her 90s. You know? Because she watched the program and she's been touched by her situation. So she begged me as much as we can assist her with them things. So we try and get people more assist there as well too. Yeah. And we have a little change that we can get. Steady. You have a little thing in the hand as well too, yeah?
We appreciate what them do for us still right now, you know?
Yeah.
But you need it more, you know? Yeah, for real. Our grandson are trying hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
I alone can't do him, my mother right now, you see?
Yeah.
I'm trying to push it. God for help here still, isn't it?
Yeah. We try and always assist her any way we can, what they do and them can as well too. I understand, so you know, she have the bed sheet, and she have 290s as well too, which she can have. I understand, and we'll keep continuing with the support for her.
I love that still, is it?
And do the best we can for her. Then lady here have a foundation in the place. You understand? So, them deserve all the help them can get.
Right now, come and share the whole on second stage, right?
Right now. There's a dolly in her 90s right now. She's the oldest, so she know everything about Bob Marley. Though. Bob Marley still living this year, though. Yeah, right over there. Yeah, so you see. Because I just ask the younger ones, but the younger ones they don't know anything about these history. You know? Yeah, you're a Bob Marley friend. You grew up Bob Marley. See there, so you see.
That man a long time clean here.
A long time, and she grew up Bob Marley. So you know, a foundation. You understand? If you have a foundation in the place, man. So if you have to support the elderly them. But I'm definitely going to need our help right now in times like these, you know. Because I'm used to.
Yeah, the future right now, so they help the deal.
Yeah, you have to, man, darling. So we'll continue the journey, see, man. We'll reach out back with the support here until anybody contact you here.
Yeah.
Definitely. So let me show you so we always have pull-ups here as well too, so you can always get them. Alright, Dolly? So take care, yeah? Alright then, so we got to thank Lorenzo and his mom Shireen from Canada for the support here. Yeah, well, if I respect. Enough love from the dream team and thanks for the support.
Most grateful feet still, isn't it?
Yeah. So give thanks to my general.
Yeah.
What you say?
Oh,
man, no one to say brother. Just said one. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.